What's going on, guys? Time for another beautiful day out here in Michigan. The weather is amazing, but it is a little hot. It's about 90 degrees. Just getting my day started. The dog is kind of freaking out. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, now you're quiet, huh? Now you're quiet, huh? I'm thinking I'm gonna make the push for this channel to be more vlog based than simply just car videos. I'm thinking that, you know, it's life with Ty, so why should I be limited by only doing car videos? I'm not saying we're not gonna do car videos, I'm just saying I'm gonna start incorporating more daily life stuff, and although it will still be car based, it won't be as heavy into cars. I feel like that's the route to go. I feel like I can make a lot more videos that way and continuously be uploading to the platform, because doing only car things is, yes, we do a lot of car things, but to find something to do car related all the time is tricky, and with Michigan weather, you never know what you're gonna get. So I'm going to start doing more daily life vlog stuff, whether it be hanging out in the backyard with friends, going to car meets, or just going out to eat dinner. I'm gonna try to film everything I can because I think it's stuff that you guys might be interested in, and I wanna be able to share it. I'm also considering changing my Instagram from MelloM3 to Life with Ty. I'm not sure how I feel about it because up until this point it's only been pictures of the car and not so much like everything. So let me know up here and vote in the poll. Do you think I should change my Instagram to match my YouTube channel? Because my YouTube channel is actually bigger than my Instagram, but I feel like I post way more on my Instagram, and it might be easier for my Instagram audience to find my videos if my YouTube name is also my Instagram name. So let me know up in the poll and we can see. Maybe I'll change it, maybe I'll leave it. I don't know. Drop a comment, let me know what you think about the idea of that. I'm gonna eat some food and then we will hop in the E36 and go for a quick drive. My main idea for today's video is it worth gutting your car? Is it worth gutting your car, whether it be a street car or a drift car or a race car? Is it worth gutting? How loud is it gonna be? And what it's like. Will I notice a difference in the performance? I don't know. I really do love the color of this little E36, man. Really, dog? Okay. So, if you did not... Wow, it is hot in here. If you didn't watch the last video, here's what you need to know. There is now no carpet in here. And nothing in the back. Whole headliner is pulled. I don't know how good this is gonna show up on this camera. No back seat, nothing up top. Basically, nothing, like, everything is gutted except for obviously the seats, this center console little area, and the door cards, and the dash. Everything else is completely ripped out of this car. So I'm gonna set up the GoPro, and then we'll get driving. The GoPro mount I use is very simple. It's a little suction cup, and it's like a tripod adapter to GoPro, and so that just screws to that piece to a GoPro session. So now we'll film on that. So it is very hot, and I need to start this car. It's gotta be 90 outside today, and this car has been sitting in the sun all morning, so it's very, very warm in here. And the dog is still outside. But we'll let this warm up. If you watched yesterday's video, or the last video, I guess, because I don't know what day this will be posted, I replaced the speed sensor in the diff because the car wasn't going past 5,500 RPMs, and I have yet to drive it on the road and test it and see if I fixed it or not. I think it did, but we'll have to see as soon as we get going. First thing I noticed, though, there is quite a bit of an echo in here compared to before, because, well, there's no sound deadening pretty much anywhere. But for the most part, it feels the same as before because I left the door cards and the dash and all the center console, so most of the stuff that's stripped is behind me back there versus right next to me, which is kind of nice because it still feels pretty good. Headliner obviously feels different because there's nothing there. There's some grody-ness to it, but for now it's fine. A lot of rattling and it's been about 10 seconds. No. It is. It's just holding me at 5,500 RPMs. So it must be a wheel speed sensor, of course. Wow, okay. And I hope you can hear that, because the diff is not only 10 times louder with the back seats out, there's a lot of rattling. Sounds like this car's ready to fall apart now. So wow, that is loud. We might have to put a rear seat delete panel in there, because I can't hear anything. And this is gonna really suck on the freeway on the way to the track. Oh my God. Wow. This is not good, guys. I think I might have messed up on the gutting everything plan. Ah, man. Yeah, this is definitely not a car you want to drive around every day. I mean, just listen to this. It's screaming for me. Oh, rocks. It's like screaming for me, like, please, no, save me. But, oh my God, that's ridiculously loud. I knew it was loud before, but I kind of forgot how much the diff whined. Because I haven't driven this car in about a week, basically since we went drifting last time. But that's crazy. I hope you guys can even hear me. It's so loud. So freaking loud. No. And it's really hot in here. But if I put my air up, you might not be able to hear me. But am I really worried considering how loud this is right now? No. This is brutal. To answer the #1 question, is it worth gutting your car? If you drive it more than just to and from the track, or you just trailer it to and from the track, otherwise, do not do it, because this is really loud. I'm sure without the welded diff, it wouldn't be so bad, but I feel like I'm literally yelling to be able to talk, to be able to be heard on the GoPro, which hopefully I am, but I don't know. That's ridiculous. No, we'll do. We'll hit the freeway on the way back, so we can see what it sounds like when we're doing about 70. Oh God. Well, it's consistently loud. We're doing 75. That's what it sounds like. Just like, I don't even know. Unless your car is dedicated for drifting or track use, do not gut your car. Now, I did it anyways because I wanted to do it as an experiment, and this car is a dedicated drift car, and it really only gets driven an hour to the track, drift all day, an hour back, and I'm hoping to get a trailer eventually so I won't even have to drive it that far at all. The positives of gutting your car, obviously weight reduction and style points because you're sick and you're rad, you don't care, and the car feels a little bit more raw, which can make you push your driving a little bit more. I'm not sure yet, obviously I've only driven it for the last 10 minutes, but it's pretty cool. Downsides, if your diff's welded, it's noisy as hell. Everything rattles, every bump makes a noise, and it's just super not as comfortable as it was before. Thank you guys for stopping by the channel today. I appreciate you guys for watching this video, as I always do. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and thanks for coming by for another day in the life with Ty.